Oh, hello, my name is Gabriel from Kavak USA. In this video we're going to talk about this camera and this remote control. So this is a brand new remote control to start shooting on 960 frames per second, and I was trying this and I was trying this, so I'm going to tell you a little bit if it is worth it or not. I'm going to show you how you can connect it and everything. So my experience was kind of okay. I'm going to tell you yes, why it's good or why it is bad education. So if you want to buy it, I'm going to show you. This is the camera. So the camera is good. You're going to, if you want to see the quality, there are tons of quality about this camera. So what I'm going to tell you is how you can connect this camera to the this device, to the remote control. So you can connect it here on the top, and then you use the micro USB here on the side, and that's it. It comes with the HDMI output, so if you have to connect it with the TV, that is great. The bad thing about this, the quality is very good in this camera. I'm not going to deny that. But the problem with this is if you want to shoot and monitor yourself, the live monitor at the same time, that will not be possible. So at the minute that you start recording, this output becomes useless. The other thing is you're going to use, in this camera, you're going to use this port, so you can charge the camera. So that is the one thing. So if you want to charge the camera and use the remote control at the same time, you're not going to be able to do it, so that is a very bad thing. The good thing about this camera, you have the input and output for a headset and for the microphone. That is a plus. And the other thing that you're going to see with this remote control, the control remote is nice, is comfortable on your hand. The thing is, if you here you can lock it if you want, the button, the shutter button, and you can zoom in, zoom out, and record. It comes with two small batteries if you want to use it. Also here it comes with one switch. It says 1, 2, 3. Usually is so if you want to change the frequency of the infrared light. The good thing, it seems like it works fine. The bad thing, if you're going to use it outside, it doesn't work that well. If you are like 6 feet away or 2 meters away, it will not be very good. It will fail sometimes. So indoor it works great, outdoor so-so. If you, like I said before, if you want to record something for a very long time and you want to charge the camera and have this thing connected at the same time, it will not be good. Like I said, if you want to use it for YouTube or something like that, you want to use this output, that will be very good. That will be very good if it works, because when you start shooting yourself, you say, okay, yes, I see myself in, maybe you have the monitor here in this side, but by the time you start shooting the video, you start recording, the monitor will go blank, all black, the screen. You will not be able to see anything. So, and this camera, you can move it if you want to, but there is no way that you can move it maybe from one side, something like that. So this is all the movement that you're going to get from this camera. So that is the good and the bad. Another thing I try to use in 960 frames per second. It's just 4 seconds that you can record, and that's it. The quality is very poor. I'm going to return this camera. So I'm not happy with this camera, at least for the things that I wanted. You pay like $60 just for this remote control, and here I have is something different. Of course, this is for the light. So if I want to turn off the light or something like that, you see, I can turn it off and on and all the things. and it came with a 6 socket or 4 socket to connect a light bulb, and it is wireless. I mean, why they use infrared when wireless is much better? You can get infrared, and I mean, you can get the infrared maybe working, but like I said, maybe if you're at the same height, it may work. I tried maybe a little bit higher, and it doesn't take the signal because you have this black stuff here. So if it were, you know, like wireless, I think it will be a much better deal. So that is my take in this mini review. So I hope it was useful. If you want to use it for YouTube, if you don't want to see yourself, you don't care, you have to record something, yeah, it might be good. If you want to see yourself or monitor everything that you record, it will not be a good idea. It's better to get something else. So if you have any question, leave it in the comment in the section below, and see you next class. Bye.